So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba i-turn on ang STEM feed or STEM feed sa ating TikTok account. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating TikTok app or yung ating TikTok account. So open lang natin guys. And then, pagka-open, pumunta lang tayo sa pinakang-profile ng ating TikTok. And dito guys, sa pinakang-profile, itap nyo lang yung three horizontal lines na nandito sa upper right corner. And pagka-tap, tap nyo naman guys yung settings and privacy. So dito guys, sa settings and privacy, scroll up lang natin. And tap nyo guys yung content and preferences. And ayan guys, pagka-tap ng content and preferences, hanapin nyo lang yung STEM feed or STEM feed. So tap nyo lang to guys. And kung makikita nyo, naka-turn off yung ating STEM feed. So sabi dito, kapag daw tinurn on natin yung ating feed or STEM feed, so lalabas daw sa feed natin yung mga feature videos about or related sa science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So kung gusto nyo guys, yung newsfeed nyo sa TikTok is may lalabas na about dito, i-turn on nyo lang yan guys para kahit hindi na kayo mag-search, may lalabas at lalabas dyan na about sa science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So, pwede nyo naman itong i-turn off anytime. So, tap natin guys yung turn on para ma-enable. And ayan guys, STEM feed is turned on and mapapansin nyo guys kapag nag-scroll kayo sa inyong newsfeed sa TikTok, makakita kayo ng iba't ibang videos or featured videos na about dito sa feed na to. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba i-turn on ang STEM feed ating TikTok. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for new updates. And thanks for watching!
Living life every day